Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can turn on two-factor authentication on the Snapchat. Because through turn on two-factor authentication, your account will be more secure. So in this video, I will show you how you can easily turn on two-factor authentication. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Snapchat and then you will see profile icon at the top left corner. And then you will see setting options and top right corner, click on it. And then you will see two-factor authentication, click on it. And then click on continue options. So if you want to receive the code through text message, then click on text message, and here you will receive a code. So after receiving the code, it will automatically verify. Then you can see recovery code, generate a recovery code so that you can log in on new device if you change or lose access to your phone. So if you click on generate options, then click on I wrote it down because your recovery code is dead. So click on my two-factor authentication is on now. So in this way you can turn on two-factor authentication on the Snapchat. So if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.